Yeah, please. What what is the need of these programming languages? Why should we learn this programming language? Any programming language, if we are going to learn, why? What purpose we are going to learn?
So to develop any software, anything, sir.
Vamshi Krishna, you are speaking something, but I am not. It is not audible.
So to develop any software, sir.
Speak once again, Vamshi Krishna. Once again, please.
So to develop any software, sir, this helps us to organize data in efficient way, sir.
No, why? My voice is audible, everyone.
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is
sir.
audible.
Your voice is not audible to me. Why? Is there any settings or any problem? Just I am checking. My voice is audible now. Your voice is not
Yes, sir.
audible. That is what I am thinking. Yeah. Now tell me. Yeah, tell me. Okay. Now almost 50 students, 49 students are there. Then we'll start. Now tell me what is data structures. Sorry. My question is right. Programming. What is the use of programming language? Generally, why we are going to use language? What is the use of language? We are using some languages, right? When we are using high level language is nothing but a human understandable languages are called as high level languages. Means English, Telugu. And what purpose these languages are going to use? Tell me, anyone? To solve the solution. And I am asking how we can solve the solution.
To communicate people.
What is the use of this human understandable language? Manasa, what is the use of this high level language? Means human understandable language. Means English, Telugu, Hindi, whatever the languages we are using. What purpose? Why should we use? No response out of 50 students to communicate. Yes, exactly, Prakash. Yeah, you must, whenever our things you want to communicate, we must use one particular language. Yeah, that is the reason. When we wanted to share our thoughts, our information, or our intentions to others, we must be use one particular language. Okay, that's what. Here, for example, I know the English language. Now I am giving my instruction through English language, but you don't know the English language. Then can't you understand my instructions? Can you understand those instructions? Are you clear? No, right. Here means here whenever I am giving my instruction in one particular language, here other side also they must understand my language. They must know my language. Then only that instructions are going to reach that particular things they will understand. And if someone is given just no manasa to solve the problem, then they will understand our problem. They will give some solution. If we don't, the other side, they knows only Hindi. My side, I don't know Hindi. I am speaking some other language. Now the confusion will start. So this is the big problem, you know. In the same way, machines cannot understand human understandable language, high level languages, nothing but your English, Hindi, Telugu, so and so. So when I am communicating to machine, then machine cannot be understand. Then what should we do? We have to communicate through the machine language. Here we cannot understand machine language. Can you tell what is machine language? Anyone? Binary, exactly. Yes. Here when we want to use the binary language to communicating to the machines, it is very hard task because it is very tough. Okay, so that's why the when even we can use microprocessor. You are studying in this semester microprocessor programming. Even we can use, but when we are going to give more instructions, it is very tough to learn. You have to remember more codes. So that's why here we need one intermediate programming language because we know high level language, machine knows low level language. That is the reason one intermediate programming language is required here. That is nothing but your programming languages. What is that? C, C++, Java. All these programming languages are called as intermediate programming languages. Are you clear now? Are you clear? Yeah. So intermediate means here humans going to understand high level languages. Machines are going to understand machine level language. Now these programming languages are intermediate. Here why these intermediate programming languages are required? I will tell you. Here when machine want to understand our instructions, here directly high level language instruction to machine language instruction, it is more complex to convert by the operating system. Now, when we are going to write intermediate languages, maybe the C, C++ programming languages, our operating system easily convert into the machine level instructions. Then machine will understand our instruction and it is going to work accordingly and it is going to produce the output as a machine instructions. Now, those machine instructions again converted by our operating system and it is going to produce it to our intermediate programming languages. Then we are going to understand based on that. That's why intermediate programming languages are required. That is the reason we can tell operating system, in this case, we can tell operating system is a interpreter. If that is the reason we know when we are going to use any programming language, we have interpreters and compilers. Are you clear? Are you clear now? Yes, right, good. Right. Now, when we want to perform any operation, your voice is not audible. Just wait a moment. Just I will reconnect my device. Then I will check. Please, can you speak? Anyone? Anyone? At least.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Now your voice is good. Okay. Just I'm connecting my Wi-Fi device. Just wait. Please now speak. Anyone?
Hello.
Yeah, now it is audible. Yeah, I think my side only the problem. Okay, now it is fine. Now anything you want to speak or anything, you can unmute your mic and you can speak. Okay, right. Thank you. Now tell me. Now when I want to perform some operation here, for example, C equal means I want to addition of two numbers. What should we do? Tell me anyone. You can use chat or otherwise you can unmute your mic and then you can speak. Please, response is required. Don't waste our time, please. Do it fast. So if I want to perform addition operation, then what should we do?
So we need arithmetic operation to perform the addition of two numbers.
Okay, arithmetic operation is good. Okay, right. But what should we do for that? What is the instruction we have to write? What instruction we have to write? Do we use plus operator? Yes, yeah, it is right. But how to write? What instruction? Means just we write plus it will be taken addition?
No.
No. Then tell me. That is what I am asking. Exactly. What should we write? What is the instruction when I want to perform addition of two numbers or integer numbers you can take otherwise. Yes. Is it audible? No one is responding. Very simple thing I am asking. Addition of two numbers of your C programming I am asking. Why you people are confusing? Sure. Everyone is in class. Everyone is listening my class. Or just you are switched on your mobile or laptop and you are doing other job because you people are not responding. When I want to perform addition operation, what should I write? What is the instruction I have to write? Yeah, Vamshi, why you are switching on and off? Tell me. No answers?
First we have to write
No.
header file. After that int
That
main.
all these things are not required, Prakash. Exactly. You forget about these interface, all these things. Exactly what should we do? What instruction?
So initialize calculation and show the output. In initialization, take sum a con b, and in calculation we have to write sum equals to a plus b. Before the sum equals to a plus b, we have to take the input from the user scene ab or scan of ab, and then we have to show the output. After calculating, we have to show the output cout or printf. Sir.
Okay. Yeah, this is already you know the programming. That's why you are telling like that. Okay. Now, generally, I given the same thing to one particular second class student or some compiler also. They don't know. We have to give the instruction. Okay, second class students or someone I have given without programming. Then you calculate 50 plus 43. What they will do? Anyone? Just addition of 40 with 50. What they will do?
They'll just calculate and say the answer.
Please don't tell logically. You just basically you tell how we are going to perform. Come to the reality. That's why each and every instruction is very important. What I am telling, don't take it as a silly thing. Sir is asking, please. Sir, it is very important. If you understood, if you are really following, then you can understand what exactly the data structure is going to happening, what exactly your machine is going to perform the operation, and what exactly how to write the program also you can learn. Tell me, if I give something to someone, what they will write? For example, here I am giving to add 50 and 40. What it is going to happen first? Even you also, without pen and paper, without board also, first of all, you are going to store. What is the value you are going to store in your brain? 50. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Your brain is full. This 50 is going to store in your brain. Your brain is full, means your memory, no memory is there in the brain. Your brain is full of data. You are very busy. Then I will tell, please remember this 50. Can you remember that 50? Yes, tell me. No, because already your brain is full of data. Are you clear? Ah,
Yes,
that
sir.
sometime whatever it is. Here means here this is a blackboard. I have written this is a whiteboard, right? Everything I have written. Now I am giving one more data to add in this board. Is it possible to write again? No, right? We have to erase something. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now even now I wanted to give add 50 plus 40. If I tell addition of this 50 plus 40 means we need space in your brain also. Means first variable is maybe the value is 50, second value is the 40. Yes or no? We are going to do like that or not? Step by step procedure. Yes or no? This is the algorithm. Yes, every operation you will perform like a algorithm. Even if you want to prepare a cup of coffee, also you must be follow some procedure, step by step procedure. Then you will get the solution. That is the reason when you want to perform any operation, please learn from basic. When you are going to write even simple program also, then in this way you can understand the writing of the program is very easy. Now here, now you want to perform, right? 50 plus 40. Now how many values you want to maintain? Two values. If two values, if you want to maintain, means you must be assigned memory for these two values in your primary memory. Is it right or wrong? Two memory blocks are required or not? Yes. Here two memory blocks are required. Means you what type of memory it is, what type of data it is. This data and this data, what type of it is? You know already. You are the technical person. Integer. That's why you are going to declare two integer variables. You know the integer. What integer? Integer because you know the data structure of int. What integer is going to store? Will be anyone? What is the structure of integer? What is the data structure of integer? What is the data structure of integer? Do it fast, fast. What is the data structure of integer? Data structure of integer. Structure of integer. Anyone? Taking confusion. Data structure is nothing but it is a logical representation of storing of your data. That is the definition. You can understand every time in a new way. Now, what is the data structure of integer here? This integer, when I declare int a, the structure of a is what? The a is going to store 4 bytes of data. The size of a is 4 bytes and it accepts only integer data. So this is the structure of a. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please remember. If I write float a, then here the a is a accepts only real numbers here and the size of this a is 8 bytes. Means 8 bytes of data you can store in that block. Here 4 bytes of data we can store in this block. Here this is the structure. Are you clear? Now clear? Yes. Now, now is this visible now?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yeah, just wait. Just adjusting my screen. Right. Is this screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yeah. Thank you. Now, already I told you data structure. Data structure is logical representation. Here, really, if you are going to observe data structure is a method of organizing a large amount of data more efficiently so that any operation on that data becomes easy. Even though I can give more definition for every day, here even though one more definition also I will tell you. A data structure is a special way of organizing and storing data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently. Yes. Sure, because why data structures are required, I will tell you. Now, this is a definition. Okay, this definition you yourself you can write here. This definition I myself I have written this everything. Whatever the notes I am going to explain here, and I will share this after completion of the unit. Don't worry. Everything I have written my own way. Here it is not copied from any textbook. Okay, even code also, because you must feel what is going on exactly. Now, first of all, data structure is categorized into two parts. Already I told you yesterday. Here, the data structure is divided into two parts. One is primitive data structure, another one is the non-primitive data. Primitive data structure is nothing but a predefined data structure. What is the meaning of predefined data structure? Predefined. Predefined means the programming language supports data types are called as predefined data structures, primitive data structures. Nothing but C programming is going to support integer, real, char, boolean. Are you clear? Is it clear? Please try to unmute your mic and you can tell. Now, if you want to visible more clear instead of typing message, then please unmute. Okay. Then I will increase my screen size. Then this is good, I think. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please unmute. Whenever I will ask question, please unmute your mic and you please try to tell answers. Okay. Right. Now this is a predefined. Predefined means already the programming language is having such type of data structures. What is that? Here maybe integer, real, character, and boolean, etc., etc., etc. Even Java is having some more extra data types. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we can these data structures are not satisfied all the situations, because yesterday also I given very clear information. Here when I am going to define int a. Here, int A, when I'm going to define int A, what happened? Our operating system is going to assign 4 bytes of information, 4 bytes of memory. Now, when I'm assigning A equal to 4, now how much memory it is going to occupy this 4? Can you tell anyone? Maybe very less memory it is going to occupy. It cannot be occupied 4 bytes of memory. Is it right or wrong?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
right or wrong? Yes. But the problem is what? We are allotted 4 bytes. But this value is going to occupy only bits. So now most of the memory is going to waste. Is it clear? Now unnecessarily we are allotting more memory, but those memory we are not utilizing, but we are allotting. Now when I want to perform more operation, when I want to write more variables, more operations, now our system is going to not work properly because we are allotted the memory is locked, but we are not using. So that's why here we are going to define a our user own data structure, that is a user defined data structures. User defined data structure is called as non-primitive data structures. Are you clear? Your program compiler defined data types are called as primitive data structures. Here, our purpose for our requirements, we are going to develop, we are going to design some of the data structures. How we are going to prepare, how we are going to use these data types into A directly we are writing. Like that, we have to prepare some of the data types is called as non-primitive data structures or user-defined data structures. Are you clear? Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, data structures are two types. One is primitive data structures, other one is the non-primitive data structures. Primitive data structures are programming languages. What are the programming languages you see? Supporting data types are called as primitive data structures. Here, non-primitive data structures is nothing but here our purpose for our requirement, for our data requirements, we are going to prepare our own structure. It is called as non-primitive data structures or user-defined data structures. Now, our syllabus, our topics are this only. Okay. Our topics are non-primitive data structures. Your non-primitive data structures. So this is our syllabus. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the syllabus, non-primitive data structure. Please respond because I am taken full view. Okay, your messages are not visible now. Just please unmute your mic, please respond. Then only I can understand, I will continue. Okay, otherwise I have to again stop sharing, I have to go back, I have to verify you are answered or not. Unmute your mic, then you speak. Okay. Now, if this unmuting and muting, if you are facing problem, yesterday I forwarded 5 top Google Meet apps. Okay, in that one muting unmuting app supporting that extension also there for your Google Meet. Just use this after installing of that extension. Just you press spacebar, automatically it is unmuting. Again, you press spacebar, it is mute. That is convenient. That's why top 5 I forwarded yesterday. I don't know how many people are installed or not. Please try to install at least by tomorrow. Yeah. Now again, this user-defined data structures are two types. One is linear data structures. Another one is the non-linear data structure. Please, all points, it is whatever I am discussing, it is not there in my notes. Sometimes some new points I am going to add, some new examples I am going to add. Try to make a note. Okay, if you want to ask anything also, you can unmute and you ask. Don't waste your time. Please try to write the notes. And there are two categories I told you. One is linear data structure, another one is the non-linear data structures. Here, this is the total complete your syllabus, linear data structures and non-linear data structures. Then what is linear data structure? What is non-linear data structure? Linear data structure is nothing but it is going to arrange the data in a sequential fashion. Means one by one. Your first element is going to store in the first location. Your next element is going to store in the next following location, next following location, next following location. Here like a train, here every box we are connected, right, one by one, like that. Here linear data structure is going to arrange the data in a sequential fashion. Already I told you data structure is a method. Data structure is a technique to arrange the data, organize the data as per the required manner. After organization, when you are going to access the data, it is more convenient. Here, that is the reason data structure is required. Here now comes to linear data structure. Here in this linear data structures, we are going to arrange the data in a sequential fashion. Like already I told you, like one queue. Here, when you are going to observe one by one, okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, compulsory. When you want to reach to the last element, compulsory you have to start from first element because it is a linear data structure. We cannot jump last directly. Compulsory you always start from the first element because it is a linear data structure. Are you clear? What is a linear data structure? Are you clear? Are you clear? Are you clear? Linear data structure?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here, non-linear data structure. Here, we will discuss completely one by one, don't worry, but definitions I am giving. Non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structure is nothing but there is no linearity. You can jump from anywhere to anywhere. Directly, you can approach a middle element. Directly, you can approach last element. Here, that is a non-linear data structure. It never follows any order, okay, without order, okay. That is a non-linear data structure. Is it clear? Difference between linear and non-linear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. As per the syllabus, I divided this linear and non-linear. To complete your 5 units are covered this linear and non-linear only. All data structure under comes this. Your syllabus under comes this linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Here in linear data structure, we are going to discuss in the syllabus arrays. Actually, arrays also not there in your given syllabus, but we will discuss. Don't worry. Linked lists, stacks and queues. Here, linked list, stacks, queues, arrays under the linear data structure means it is going to follow linear structure. The structure, already I told you, structure means how we are going to organize the data. That is a structure. Please remember that point. Very important point. Structure means your organization. Okay, organizing of the data. Now, non-linear data structures are two categories. They are given in your syllabus. One is trees and one is the graphs. These are the concepts we are going to discuss one by one. Okay, are you clear now? What is linear? What is non-linear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Here, remember, here every programming language is having its own data structure that is called as primitive data structure. Data types is called as primitive data structures, predefined data structures. For our purpose, these primitive data structures are not suitable for all the situations. I will tell you, don't worry, why it is not suitable, I will tell you. So that's why we need our own data structure. Then we have to prepare our own data structure. Those data structures is called as non-primitive data structures. Again, non-primitive data structures are classified into two categories. One is linear data structure, another one is the non-linear data structures. Okay. Here, before going to the our linear data structure, first topic, here we must know the what is abstract data type. Here, ADT. Here, this is a name commonly we are going to use, abstract data type. Here, simple, I will tell you very clearly. First of all, can you tell anyone when I wanted to declare A as an integer, anyone is going to think about how to organize the memory or how to create the memory for A or how much memory it is going to occupy or who is going to allot the memory or what type of data it is going to accept. Anytime you are going to think when we are going to declare int A. Are you clear whatever I am asking? If I write float A or int A or char C, so just anytime you are going to think how much memory is going to allot, who is going to allot, where it is going to allot, what type of data it is going to take. All these things you are going to define, or you are going to think, or you are going to prepare anything. You are going to allot the memory, or just we are going to type into A. Just automatically memory is going to allot, or you are allotting. Are you clear my question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, response, very poor response from your section. If my question is clear, please tell me. Anytime you are going to think who is going to allot like that?
No, sir.
No, right? Because already you know it is a predefined data structure. Means that compiler will take care, compiler will request to the operating system when we write int A. Correct. Means it is already abstracted. Are you clear? Abstract means base. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
When you write int a, automatically 4 bytes of information is 4 bytes of memory is going to allotted. It is going to accept only integer, means abstracted. Means here in the same way, when we are going to write our non-primitive data structures, but you must be think, you must be analyze, you must be prepare one structure first of your data type, whatever data type you want to prepare, whatever data structure you want to prepare, you have to prepare that. That is called abstract data type. Your int is a abstract data type, yes, 100%, because you are not thinking about this int a. Once you have already, it is created by that compiler. Okay, what int means, what is the int means, then just you are using that int wherever you want. Like that, in non-primitive data structures also, first you have to prepare that structure. Means you are prepared one, maybe you prepared one, the name is node data type. You feel like that. Now you are prepared the structure. This contains so and so and so rules. Now this is the structure. Now wherever you want this node, you are going to use. Because wherever int structure you want to use, you can use without any verification, without any thinking. Yes or no? Are you
Yes.
clear? Yes. Wherever integer data you want, you are declaring it yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Because already it is structured. In the same way, when you are going to prepare non-primitive data structure, you must be prepare one structure of your node. Now this node you can use wherever you want. This node you can use wherever you want. No need to think again how much memory is going to allot, what are the rules are there, what is the things. No. Here first you prepare. Now this is called as abstract data type. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. You can use this. No need to change again. Yeah, because you are already, when you are going to preparing your data structure, you are given the rules, certain rules, maybe how much memory it is, what type of structure it is, everything you are given when you are created this data structure. Now you use this data structure entire your program wherever you want. That's why it is called as abstract data type. Are you clear this definition? Because people will confuse most of the cases what is the abstract data type. Now is this clear
Sir,
this?
sir, once you can repeat this.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah. Please, that's why you ask. Yeah, good. Now, who is asking? Can you tell your name?
Prakash.
Prakash. Yeah, Prakash. Can you tell, for example, in my program, I'm writing some instructions. Somewhere I required integer data I want to assign with A. Then you are going to directly write int a equal to 4, or you are going to think, oh, now I have to prepare structure of int. Again, I have to give some rules, means it must be accept integer only, it must be contains 4 bytes only. You are thinking, or you are writing some code for that?
No, sir. It is already
No,
there. It
direct.
is a predefined data type.
That is what it is, a abstract data, because already it is there. Yes or no? Because you know that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Directly you are writing int a equal 4. In the same way, now you can call this integer is a abstract data type, because it is already there. You are using abstract means base. Please remember the abstract synonym is base. Okay, already it is defined. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You can tell integer is a abstract data type, float is abstract data type, char is abstract data type, because already the definition is over. We are not defining anything now. Just we are using that. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, our non-primitive data structures also, whenever you want to use your non-primitive data structures, first of all, you prepare the data structure. Here means, for example, I want to prepare a node data structure. Then you first prepare it, your definition of your node data structure. Okay? Like integer, I am preparing your node. Are you clear? Here, how to prepare, how to write, I will tell you. First of all, definition you understand.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, node data structure, how to prepare, I will tell. The node data structure I prepared. Okay, now I am writing some code. Inside of the code, this data structure or data type, node data type, I require somewhere. Now, just I am going to use directly node. No need to again prepare everything because already it is prepared. Before starting my code, I prepared this node structure. Here, this integer no need to prepare because it is a primitive data structure. But this node you have to prepare it before starting your code. Once you prepare, no need to think about the node. Why? Because already you are prepared that structure. This node contains this much of memory, this contains this type of data it is going to accept. Now, wherever node you want, directly you can use node. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear now? How integer you are using wherever you require. In the same way, node also you can use in your program wherever you require. But for integer, you no need to provide any definition for integer because it is a primitive data structure. But node is not a primitive data structure. Node is a user-defined data structure. That's why before starting your block of code, you must be provide a definition of node. Once you provide a definition of node, same node you can use like integer wherever you want in your code. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what abstract data type. Please remember, whenever you want to perform linked list, whenever you want to implement stacks, queues, trees, graphs, whatever the data structure, here you must be first of all prepare abstract data type. Means what is the structure of that? Once you understand structure of that particular block, first of all prepare that particular structure. Once you prepare that structure, you can use wherever you require as per the logic, as per the requirement. Simple. That's why don't confuse. First of all, understand structure. For example, if you are purchased one flat, new flat, please understand the definition. If you are purchased one new flat, now you are moving that new flat. Now your total luggage is came. Here now directly you can arrange your total luggage into all the rooms, means kitchen, bedroom, hall, etc., etc. Or first of all, you have to verify which one is suitable for which, and where is the kitchen, where is the bedroom, where is the hall, where is the study room. Tell me.
So first we have to verify.
Yeah, that's why structure you have to prepare it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
it is new one. Already in your own house is there. Now you came with some goods. You know already that house is yours. It is predefined one. Then you are going to arrange without any verification because you can use. You know how to use. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same way. Now non-primitive data structure also same. Now first of all you have to prepare it as per your requirements. That structure you prepare it. That new house you must be prepared accordingly your requirements. Yes or no? Prepare some curtains, prepare some etc. etc. everything. Then only you can arrange your things. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next time you no need to worry about again to verify the things. Once the structure is prepared, that is what abstract data type. Are you clear now? What is abstract data type? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, even I will read this definition, you can understand. Abstract data type is a type for objects whose behavior is defined by a set of value and set of operations. Technical definition. People will confuse. That's why I given some other way, then you can understand. Okay, this is the way you can read, then you can understand. Okay. Now comes to the point, linear data structures. What is linear data structure? Sir, already I told you. What is linear data structure? We are going to arrange the data in a sequential order. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. In linear data structure, we are having arrays, lists, stacks, queues. Here, already you know arrays. In syllabus, we have lists from lists only, but arrays also we have to discuss. What is an array? Already you know array. Here, first of all, we must know array. Here, already arrays are there. Why should we use list? Why should we use stacks? Why should we use queues? Then you can understand. Then first of all, you must know the arrays and what are the disadvantage or problems are there in the arrays. Then we'll move to the lists. Then you can understand why the requirements of lists are required, because arrays, you know, arrays also a data structure. Already you people are aware in your C programming. Can anyone tell what is an array? That is the reason yesterday I told you the prerequisite arrays. Tell me, what
Collection
is
of
an collection of?
elements.
Collection of data in a non-homogeneous.
Collection of elements of same data type.
Yeah, good, right? 100% right. Can anyone tell how to write this array? When integer array, if I want to declare, how to declare int a of if I am not writing anything here, means what happened?
Compiler will automatically allocate depending on the inputs.
Compiler will take in automatically.
Yes, I mean, if we scan that,
If I write n, tell me what is going to happen.
n it can store n values.
Who is this?
Charan's.
Charan. Is it possible?
No, no, sir, not here.
Now
I
tell
mean,
me.
yes.
So the first point you people must be remember, when we are going to declare an array, the size must be specified or not of that array. When we are going to declare an array, the size is going to specified or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Without size specification, your compiler cannot be understand what type of array, because you are given very clear definition. Array is a collection of similar data types which are going to store in a sequential fashion. That's why it is a linear data structure. Please, this is the definition you can understand now. I think whole definition, I don't know what you are learned. Array is a collection of similar data. It is going to store similar data which are going to arrange in a sequential fashion, one by one. Yes or no? Here it is a sequential fashion, means you have to specify size of the particular array. If I specify array of 4, then what happened? If I write into A of 4, what happened? What happened, compiler? What it is going to done?
So it will take 4 values.
It will take
4 values.
the compiler is requested to the operating system to provide four contiguous, not 4 contiguous integer memory blocks to A. Yes or no? Compiler is requested to operating system, then operating system is going to arrange contiguous. Why I am telling very clearly contiguous? You know, the array is going to store the elements in a contiguous fashion. Contiguous means here this is the address if 100. If you take, for example, the address of the first block is 100, then what is the next block? Address value is going to start with what?
1 or 2.
No, here 64-bit machines we are using always. Forget about 32-bit. Forget about 32-bit. Okay, 64-bit only remember. Okay, 104. Next, what is that?
108.
Please listen carefully. I will give some questions to you for the next class. You have to solve based on this. Please. Now 112 now. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now this is the way the memory blocks are going to work. You know all these things. Yeah, that's why just instead of writing this memory is not hundreds to hundreds. It is some other fashion, but the contiguous blocks are there. Okay, that's why instead of confusing that, we are taking the indexing values always in arrays. It is going to start from 0
to
n
n
minus 1. 0, 1, 2. Right, good. Right. Now, when I wanted to store the value in this array, then tell me how to store the values. Now, still we are just allotted the memory, right? Just we have created array, compiled the requested operating system. Operating system is arranged like this. Now, I want to store the elements in array. Tell me how to insert elements in the array.
By using for loop.
Yeah, by using for loop, you can read for, okay, you must be initialize index value with 0 because it is going to start from 0. Now condition, what is the condition? I is
less than n. Less than
it means 4 means it must be start from 0, ends with 3, right? And you must be increment every time 1. Like that, you can add every time 1 element. Okay. X I am writing that X value are adding 1 by 1 by 1. Here in other way also we can use. What is the other way? Directly you can assign the value A of 0 equal to 10. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Like that, maybe use for loop or use directly. You can use 10, 20, 30, and 40. Okay, good. Now clear how to initialize how to assign the values. You know that, correct? Is it clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Please respond immediately. Time is
Sir,
running. Okay.
hello.
Tell me.
Sir, I have one doubt. Why array
Yeah, tell me.
elements and array indices will start with 0 and always end with n minus 1? Why?
Good question. You don't have that answer. Why these many days you are not asked anyone, your faculties? Hello? Who is this? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. Sir, this is first time you are got this doubt or earlier also you got this doubt?
Yes, sir. Earlier also I got, but I didn't say it to anyone.
Why? I will tell answer, don't worry. But why? Anyone is having answer regarding this? Why this indexing starts from 0? Why can't with 1? Anyone? Yeah, who is this? The question is good question.
Prakash.
Prakash, yeah, Prakash. Things are very clear. Don't think why should we start from 0? Why can't we start from 1? Yes, you can start from 1. No one will ask. Yes, you can take. 0 to 1 to n. It is not a wrong. Are you clear? If you want to start with 4, yes, you can start with 4. 4. Okay, that is up to you. You are starting from 4. You are starting from 1. Then why all the people are taking 0, I will tell you. First of all, you understand here it is only indexing. We are giving our values. Are you clear? The addresses are not 0. The address is some extra number. We are not, no, there is no chance to remember. That's why anyway arrays are going to store the data in a sequential fashion. Means first, second, third. How your trained boxes are there? First box, second box, like that. The array, when we are going to declare, here our operating system is going to check in the memory, primary memory, the continuous blocks are available or not. It is going to check. Here, first block, second block. First block means 4 bytes. Second 4 bytes of block. Third 4 bytes of block. Fourth 4 bytes of block. Yeah, this is the arrangement. For our convenience, because here we are human being, we don't take much complexity. Here that's why here instead of remembering addresses are very big numbers, x, y, z, 1, 2, so some complexity numbers are there. We cannot remember. Here instead of that, anyway, these things are going to store in a sequential, right? Like your classrooms, how we are going to written some numbers. Here classroom number 112. 113, 114, 115 for our reference easily. Here some people will tell that is A block, A112. Some people will write. Some people will feel, okay, this is first floor, 1-112, 1-113, like that. Means that is our reference. Here this indexing also a reference. Are you clear, Prakash? Hello?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, at the time you can write for sir, y I equal to. Then at the time you write I equal to, if you are started your indexing 1, right? Then you start with 1. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the way. Sir, why then they will start from 0? Why they are not always the people are using from 0 means here always they are going to consider positive numbers. Positive numbers are start from where? Positive numbers are going to start from where? Mr. Prakash.
From 0 to
Not from 1,
0.
from 0.
From
That's why
0.
positive numbers 0, it will start from 0. That's why they have taken 0. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
It is very convenient, very easy. Okay, that's why globally, they are taken from 0. Then everyone will be following that. Okay, if you want to change your indexing also, you can change. It is a logical thing only. There is no any compulsory thing. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everyone is clear. Everyone is clear this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think time is running, right? I am going to close. 2 questions I will ask, then I will close. Please. These 2 questions are very important for next class. You must be come with the answer. Then only it is possible. Okay. Right. Why lists are required? Already arrays are there. Okay. Same array lists are also going to store the elements in a sequential fashion. Okay. The first one, the first question. Please, you have to remember or note it down somewhere. Here now, into A equal 4, now 4 elements are inserted in this array. Now I wanted to insert one more element in this array. Is it possible? Question number 1 is, here the array size is 4, already 4 elements are inserted. Now I want to insert one more element. Are you clear now, my question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Now I want to insert one more element. That value is 50. I want to insert. 50 I want to insert. Okay, is it possible? If it is possible, how to insert? Question number 1. Now the question number 2 is, now I want to delete 30 because my students are 10, 20, 30, 40. After some time, the 30 student is detained. Now I want to delete in that list the 30 roll number. Now is it possible to delete? Got it? Second question is got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right.
Yes, sir.
Now my third question. Now I want to insert 60 here after 20. Now here I want to insert because one student has came. Now I want to insert after 20. I want to insert after 20. I want to insert 60. Is it possible in this array? If possible, how? Are you clear? These are the 3-4 questions. Are you clear these questions? Shall I repeat these questions? Are you clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Clear.
Here in the from next class, here these questions you must be solved. Okay, you must give the answer. Then you can understand what is the requirement of the lists. Then we will start with lists. Clear now? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Just I'm going to take the attendance. Please respond, all of you. Then after responding, you can leave. Okay. Please respond. Yesterday also some Ranjit Reddy, someone is not responded. After that, he questioned me. Please respond. Okay. Rule number 61. Vinay. Please respond your roll calls. Rule number 61. Vinay. Absent. 62.
Present, sir.
Present. Jagruti. 63. Sai Samraksha. Present.
Present, sir.
Yeah. 64. Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Present. 65. Divya.
Present, sir.
Present. 66. Prakash.
Yes, sir.
Even I'm telling again one more time, any doubts or anything is there from next class, first 5 minutes I will allot for discussion of your clarifications for the previous class. Every day, every time, the first 5 minutes is for doubts and any clarification we will discuss. Please remember that point, okay? Right. Even though any doubt is there still, you can ask in WhatsApp also, not a problem, okay? Yeah, tell me, who is this?
561, sir.
561 present. Vinay, పడుకున్నావా?
Yes, sir. కాదు సార్ నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూ లేదు. సిగ్నల్ నుండి మళ్ళీ ఎగ్జిట్ అయిపోయింది సార్. 561 సార్.
బాబు వినయ్ బాబు